Hello again, this is video number 2. It is about 4:10 p.m. on Wednesday, October 9th. A couple moments later, we ain't got too much right now. As I said, it's still early. This right here is a nice little pool, and there's a nice little pool flooding our back area of the driveway, which is pretty typical during a really bad storm. But then, of course, we have that. And I'm glad we got rid of this tree, because that's the tree that almost killed our house during Hurricane Irma. Sorry for my fingers. Not too much going on right now, but I guess maybe I'm overhyped. Then again, I am a Jersey girl in a Florida world, so I don't know very much about these types of things. Like, I know, but I don't know. People across the street, for example, they got their house boarded up. They got their front window boarded, and they got their front door boarded. And I'm pretty sure that maybe people down the street also have the same thing. But that's what we got going on right now. And then that's the front door. And if you're wondering what the heck, I'm looking through a broken screen. So let's come inside, shall we? Yeah, this is quite interesting. It's very... I have cats, so that's why the screen's busted. Don't judge me. Alright, I think it's time for me to go ahead and close this window. I got the weather radio going right now. So I'm gonna see what happens as it gets closer and closer, because I think they said the eye wall of the storm will be hitting Florida coastline probably I think sometime around 1 or 2 a.m. they said. But there's already been some reports of tornado touchdowns. I just saw some videos of it. It's scary, and I hope everybody is staying safe and that everybody will, stay safe throughout the rest of the storm. So let's do this. Open windows can be hazardous. Yeah, that is true. Let's go ahead and close this window, folks. And we're gonna lock them. And that's it for now. Wish me the best of luck. I look terrible. But that's okay. Who cares? Alright guys, I'll see you soon, and take care of yourself. Alright, be good, behave. Don't get into too much mischief. Bye.